Hare Krishna, this is Rajat Krishna Das. Welcome to Bhagavad Gita lesson. Following is Shloka 12 of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 10, The Opulence of the Absolute. Glorification of Krishna by Arjun. Arjun Uvaj, Param Brahma, Param Dham, Pavitram, Param Bhavan, Purusham Shashvatam, Divyam Adi Devam, Ajam Vibhum. Arjun said, "You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth. You are eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. All the great sages such as Narad, Asit, Deval and Vyas confirm this truth about you, and now you yourself are declaring it to me. O Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither the demigods nor the demons, O Lord, can understand your personality." After hearing Bhagavad Gita from Krishna, Arjuna accepted Krishna as a Param Brahm, Supreme Brahm. All living entities are Brahm, but Krishna is a Param Brahm, he is a Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is a Param Dham, he is a Supreme Rest, a Supreme Abode of everything. He is Param Pavitra, he is a purest and untainted by material contamination, he is untouched by material impurities. He is Divyam, he is transcendental, he is Purusham. Krishna is the supreme enjoyer, he is Shashvatam, he is eternal and Divyam, transcendental, and Krishna is Adi Devam, he is the original supreme personality of Godhead. He is Vibhum, he is the greatest. Purusham, Shashvatam, Adi Devam, Divyam, Ajam, Vibhum. Ajam, he is unborn. It is not that Arjuna was flattering, was glorifying Krishna only because Krishna was his friend. Arjuna says that Krishna was accepted not only by him but all other great authorities, spiritual leaders also accept Krishna as a supreme personality of Godhead. Authorities like Narad, Asit, Deval and Vyasdev. These are great spiritual leaders and they propagate the science of Vedic knowledge all over universe, and all other Acharya, spiritual masters accept these authorities and accept their conclusion that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Therefore Arjuna says to Krishna that he accepts everything whatever Krishna says as a true, completely perfect. Arjuna says that it is very difficult for great demigods and for demons to understand the personality of Shri Krishna. Many a time they commit mistake. So for humans it is almost impossible to understand the personality of Krishna, to understand him as he is, to understand that he is the supreme personality of Godhead without becoming the devotee of Krishna. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita should be taken in devotional spirit. One should try to understand Bhagavad Gita in a devotional mood. One should not think that Krishna is equal to him, or Krishna is just a normal person, or even he is just a great personality. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. So according to Bhagavad Gita and according to Arjuna, the person who is trying to understand Bhagavad Gita, he should accept Krishna as a supreme personality of Godhead. At least theoretically, he should accept Krishna as a supreme, and with this submissive spirit, only he can understand Bhagavad Gita. The person who do not accept Krishna as supreme, for him it is very difficult to fully understand Bhagavad Gita, and almost impossible for him to take full benefit from Bhagavad Gita, because Bhagavad Gita is a great mystery.